Hi, this is Zen the Crypto Queen, and welcome to my channel. We're going to talk today about the Bitcoin bull run and between FUD, that's fear, uncertainty, and doubt, and fluctuation, how it's going to get to a future prediction of $1 million. I will get to a summary at the end, but please stay with me. And just quick housekeeping. This is not financial advice. I simply share what I do and what I research. If you would like a one-on-one conversation with me to either talk about and set up your goals or set up an exchange or whatever you want, or chit chat about geopolitics and how it's affected, I'm going to get into a little bit of that today. You could set that up by emailing me at zendevin, ZENDEVIN @gmail.com. Please put crypto in all uppercase letters only in the subject line. I get a lot of email. I do not want to miss yours, okay? What was I going to say? Oh, get your crypto on a ledger, please, off your exchanges for the most part, unless you're doing a little bit of trading. All my links are in the description box below. And, somebody texted me the other day, and I have forgotten in several videos to say that your net worth... listen, 5 to 10% in crypto only, okay? Unless you're a riskier type, 15 to 20%, that's it. And then, use your other investments of any kind, okay? Stocks or what have you, maybe 10% in precious metals. I wouldn't keep much money in banks these days. They're having issues, and I'm going to get into that on another video, okay? And I think that's it for now. If you can hit the subscribe button, hit the bell notification, give me a thumbs up. That helps with algorithms. And on that note, let's get into it. Listen, I've been buying Bitcoin and selling it. I wish I had held on. Since 2011, I think the day that I bought it the first time, it was $320, okay? Never, ever did I think that it would hit 25K or 50K even. And today it's somewhere hovering around, I think, 66 to 67 something. Okay. So the halving happened the other day, and just a word on the street, and this is through research and some connections. Watch this. The halving between the next 30 days could be 90, but there's going to be lots of price fluctuation in between. Good time to make some money. Okay. We'll get into that in a little minute. Okay. And geopolitics could affect that, because although it hasn't slowed down the whales from buying and ETFs from getting in on it for the super wealthy and or the super conservative investors, they want to get involved, right? So let's chat about connecting some geopolitical and crypto dots, okay? I will do MSM, that's mainstream media narratives, and conspiracy theory realities on another day, because I love that stuff and I live for it, okay? So I will do that on another day because this is going to be long enough, all right? We've got a war going on in Ukraine, Israel, Palestine, Iran. That's all heating up big time. And keep a watch out for the BRICS nations. They used to be the 5 countries, right? Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. But now it's more, and there's more wanting to join. Egypt, Ethiopia, Iran, UAE just joined. The ones who want to join, the list is probably about 40, but the highest on the list are Saudi Arabia, Argentina, Algeria, Bolivia, Indonesia, Cuba, Democratic Republic of Congo, Comoros, Gabon, and Kazakhstan. So these are emerging market countries seeking deeper ties with other member nations, which is why it's so enticing to them, and for cooperation on economic expansion, including trade in non-US currencies. Okay, so let's get into that for a sec. A lot of countries don't like dealing with the U.S. because of strict regulations and other things. Number one, the U.S. can impose sanctions anytime. Number two, they want to use their local currency, especially as the Federal Reserve raised interest rates, making dollar debt and imports very expensive right now, right? So they're an informal group for now, but most importantly, this BRICS bloc has been trying to increase the use of their local currency, non-US dollar currencies for, and I'm going to give you the key words, you tell me what it means, cross-border trades and finance. Boom, XRP as a bridge currency. That is also another video. I will get into it there because we've got other things to cover right now. USD is still the dominant currency between most emerging markets currently, but that could change. Look at how fast things change in this world, right? And crypto, BTC, XRP, and all the other ISO 20022 coins that affect how SWIFT is going to work, how money is going to work. We'll get into quantum financial systems on another video. Overall user operability. And one thing that is here to stay is blockchain technology. And it's here to stay. That's it. It will not go away. And it's poised to take on the tokenization of pretty much everything, including real estate and anything else, large and small scale, that you can think of. It's just a matter of time. Okay? So I've been asked before, especially since I've been making Bitcoin videos lately during this bull run, am I anti-BTC? Because I seem to be XRP maxi and all the other ISO 20022 coins. Or am I a Bitcoin maxi, but I'm not saying? It's neither. But during this bull run, I think there's short-term and long-term money to be made. Same as I feel about a few other coins, but here's my summary, okay? I mentioned I bought Bitcoin at $320 back in, I think it was 2011. It might have been 2010. And I never thought it would hit 25K. Never thought they'd double down and take it to 50K. And we're around 68K, as I mentioned before, right now. And with the halving and all that's going on in this world and in the fintech world, it'll hit 100 to 125. I can't guarantee this. I don't have a crystal ball. However, yes, I believe that that is what's going to happen over the next 30 to 90 days. Another summary, because there's so much more to get into, but I just want you to watch the next 30 to 90 days. And just like my XRP plan, I will be taking profits along the way and probably buy up gaming, AI, and other coins and research how to get in the real estate part of this game and hold on to the balance of my Bitcoin and anything else that skyrockets until it hits 500K, 1 million. I have zero doubt that that will happen. I'm going to say by 2030 max, okay? And then I will be getting off this YouTube channel, I believe. Because, you know, at some point, it's just going to I'll be taking profits and having a good old time. If people still want to talk to me, they can talk to me privately. Again, if you want a one-on-one right now, and I'm not giving financial advice. Somebody in my comments the other day, and I kind of, nothing really tweaks my nerves that badly, but I just thought, you know what? I don't tell people what to do. I do not give financial advice, but I want you to know this. I have spoken recently to several financial advisors. They know nada about crypto, okay? So don't go to your financial advisor unless you're going to somebody, you know, and buying that Bitcoin ETF, okay? Because that's the only thing they will know about. If you're talking to accountants, make sure they're somewhat versed, if not well-versed, in how to manage your crypto funds. And also make sure you're speaking to an attorney if you've gotten that far about how to set up certain things to keep yourself safe and be able to move your crypto assets to your peeps upon your demise. And maybe, I'm not saying avoid taxes, but why give more taxation than necessary? That's all I'm going to say. Okay. And on that note, I'm going to say, I love you all. Thank you so much for being with me, and peace out. Ciao. Until next time.